First they were very bad, then they became good.
It was a very nice movie. It teaches the story of the importance of teaching.
Very nice film. Make part 2, okay?
Very nice movie. It represents the importance of studying.
Funny and sad movie. It was too good.
It is so funny.
And so funny.
It's so nice.
It was so nice.
Wonderful and motivation.
It was nice, jokey and wonderful. It was very nice and emotional. It was good and it was emotional.
It was emotion stick.
Movie was nice.
Best Kannada movie. It was very nice. The movie was very nice. It was very nice.
ತುಂಬ ಉತ್ತಮ ಸಂದೇಶವನ್ನು ನೀಡುವಂತಹ ಮೂವಿ ಇದು. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆ ಆರುಷ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಟಿಸಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಇದು ನಮಗೊಂದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ವಿಚಾರ ಕೂಡ. ಹಾಗೆ ನಿಯಮಗಳಿಗಿಂತ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಸತ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಮಾನವೀಯತೆಯನ್ನು ಸಂದೇಶವನ್ನು ನೀಡುವಂಥ ಉತ್ತಮ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಇದು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೂ ತಲುಪಬೇಕು, ಹಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಕೂಡ ನೋಡಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಇದು ತುಂಬ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ನು ಇಂಥ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳನ್ನು ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
It was amazing. It was great. Amazing. It was very nice and emotional. It was very nice. Nice movie and so emotional movie. Very nice. Very nice.
It was very nice.
Amazing.
Nice. We liked the movie.
I like the movie. I like the movie. I like the movie. I like the movie. I like the movie.
I liked the movie. I liked the movie. It was good. It was good and I was like the movie.
It was nice and it was nice. I was happy. Super and excellent. Speech.
By seeing how they look like. Sasantra.
The movie was very nice. The nice.
Thank you.
Best it.
Yes, thank you.
Superb, sir. Very nice. Very messaging movie. The children, even to the school, even to the government. Very nice movie. Very.
It was nice and it will be relating to school children. It was nice. It was nice.
Super. So motivating, entertaining and an awesome movie. Must watch.
Nice.
Sasantra, yes, thank you.
Super.
Super, yes. Next.
It was funny.
Thank you.
Funny.
It was funny and very good.
It was nice.
It was very nice. Thank you. The movie was so good.
Yes.
It was very nice. It was very nice.
It was very nice. We learned the moral of this lesson.
2010 ಹೋದಾಗೆ ಆಯ್ತು, ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಮತ್ತೆ
Yes, ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗೆ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಸರ್?
ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಫುಲ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಮೂವಿಗೆ ಬರುವಾಗ ನಾನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದದೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಓಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಈಗ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ ಈ ಮೂವಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಬಂದು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ವರ್ತ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಫುಲ್ ವರ್ತ್. ಮನಿ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಬಂದ್ರು ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ, ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ವರ್ತ್ ಮೂವಿ.